Hey guys, so this video I'd like to talk about how to get free upgrade on Windows 11 from Windows 10 to Windows 11. So first you're gonna go to this page and I'll put this link in the description and then download app. You just type to Google Windows 11 and then go this link and go to the bottom and download it. And now I'm going to install it. So during the activation time, if you have this error like this PC can't run Windows 11, you have to enable your TCP option from BIOS settings. So what is TCP is like trusted protection something, I don't know. So you have to enable it so you can like install from this source, and it's official Microsoft, as you can see, so you don't have to worry about it. Just wait until this get finished and then you'll get a free upgrade. Just finish. Oh yeah, it's trusted platform module option, so you have to enable it if you get this message. I hope I won't get it because I'm using a laptop. Okay, so I'm getting this error message. So all I have to do is go to the BIOS and enable the trusted platform module option. Okay, and then I can install it. So thanks for watching.